Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be decorating the week of November 28th through Sunday, December 4th. The theme I'm going to go with, this is my horizontal planner. I use this as my safe space for practicing my hand lettering. At least that's how it started out. I have just focused on my Sunday tutorial, hand lettering tutorial videos, but I will be using all of these spreads next year. And to be frank, I'm really actually looking forward to turning to the week, having it be already decorated and just seeing what it inspires in me. So I will show you a lettered spread at the end so you can see how I use it. But basically I write one big word down here to tie together all the rest of the words on the spread, or all the rest of the quotes, and I include 2 boxes on each side of the spread for including when a famous person said, you know, the quote is attributed to a famous person. I like to give credit where credit is due and capture that piece of information. So I did white this out. Normally I white both out, but I'll show you why I didn't white them both out here in a second. So the theme I'm going with this week is brought to us by Plannable December 2022, and her challenge theme for this week is boxes and bows. Who doesn't love getting a present, a nice wrapped present with a big bow for Christmas? So I'm really enjoying using all my new sticker books that I haven't used yet. Planything Christmas Fun, you can probably tell by the cover, has a bunch of different like boxes with bows and whatnot. So this corner, I want to put something big here to cover that up. So I have 2 options. I love this one with the girl kind of half hidden behind a bunch of different boxes and bows. Or the other one, and there are much more thorough flip throughs of this book on different channels if you want to see it, although it is no longer available. So, you know, you may not want to see it knowing you can't get it, or you'd have to get it you know, through a BST group. So anyway, I was thinking I could put maybe this sticker here to cover up this whiteout, or this sticker, because both of them are big, both of them have lots of boxes and bows. I'm leaning toward this one though, and since it's going to come well up past just this 1/4 of the page, I thought I would bring it on up and just build that into my deco for Sunday. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and grab her and just see if I put her right at the bottom of the page. Oh yeah, that red box is going to perfectly cover that whiteout. Yeah, look at that. All right, I do think I want to go ahead and throw a little more whiteout though on that green, the green stripe too, because I think it'll be a little bit distracting if I don't. Perfect. Oh, I love it. All right, so let's find a box, a paper box that I can write the author information in to go with it. We're going to use some of those too. That's not a box, nor is it a bow, so I think I might save those for like fact of the day boxes in a different spread. All right, here we go. Santa. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's grab one of these. Okay, so if it looks like if I want plain rectangular boxes, I have a total in this entire book of 4. So let's go ahead and grab, I want to grab another book and see. So here's her other Christmas book, which I also have not used. Let's see what it's got. Okay, here we go. Let's grab this. I like this one right away. So we'll augment our box options with that book. Let's see if we can sneak this under so that I can get it on the page without hanging too far up, all the way up into Saturday. There we go. All right. And with her arms being as full as they are, I really don't think I need to add more boxes to her pile, so we're going to let that be just the way it is. Let's put another box over here. Something that's completely different from the green. Let's grab the red one. And then let's go to that page that had all the individual gifts. Gifts. Here we go. And pick a couple of these out. And let's just make a big pile of presents. I kind of want to put a tag on this one so it looks like maybe it's a gift as well. Whenever you're having trouble because a sticker is kiss cut a little bit too deep, grab your super pointy tweezers. They will help with that. There we go. And then let's sit a gift on top of the pile. So since that one's mostly red, I like this one with the greenish wrapping paper. And it just fits in there. Perfect. Okay. So pile number 2. Ooh, I just noticed the pen. Let's put the pen, since the gift tag doesn't have anything written on it, I want to put the pen there too. How cute is that? All right. And then let's come up here for our other one. So this one can be all deco since I've got 2 boxes. Maybe there was and I am mixing together different sets of stickers out of this book. That's an option. Look at these guys. Look how cute. I like that one. Will that one go there? Oh, yes. Let's put that one there. This is going to be a really quick spread at this rate because it is decorating itself. You know what? No. And here's why. On this day, I can come clear up to the very, very tippy top of the page. So let's save this sticker for a smaller space. And let's look for something bigger. Like the car. This car I think is too big. Yeah, that car's too big. There's some more little presents. So I don't want to put a second girl on this page. If I'm going to put this other girl on here, I want her to be on the other page for balance. So let's go back to that page with all the animals and pick the tallest one. So who's tallest? These 2 are both tall. I think I'll pick this one just because it's a little bit narrower and I don't want to lose all of that space. So let's pick this guy. We'll come all the way over to the edge of the page. Make it look like he's sitting on that green line. There we go. And then I also have the one of the washi tapes that came out, and so I'm thinking it might be fun to fill up some of that very tippy top space with a string of lights. What if I put there? Yeah, let's do that. All right, but I want to white out underneath it a little bit. Okay, so honestly, already I think this page is pretty much done. Let's come over to this page. So I think I want to do here, 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 here. So let's put that other girl, the really tall one, here, because I think she's going to be, yeah, she's going to go up off the top. And then I would like to put a quote box with her. Well, first let's just put her feet on the green line and bring her over closer to the punches. And then let's throw a little bit of white out on that green. I don't have a blue box, but I kind of don't feel like I have enough blue in here to want a blue box. So let's come back to these plain box options I had. And grab one of these. Maybe I'll save it. I guess I could put her slightly on top of it. Let's do that. See if I can peel this up. One nice thing about Planything stickers, I don't know what kind of adhesive she uses, but it almost always peels up of even Happy Planner pages, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. So I'm just going to tuck this in as close to her as I can and have her be on top of the box. Perfect. There we go. Okay. So then next we're coming over here. I have a box there, so I'm not going to put a box here. So let's grab the puppy, the one that was too tall or too short. Oh, use your words, Judy. Here we go. The polar bear. Him. That I put back. Let's grab him. Tucked in, and I'm toying with the idea of another little bit of garland. Yeah, let's do it. So all I'm doing, in case you're wondering how I'm deciding where to put the garland, I want the two little ends to look like they're attached to something. So I'm just placing it so that it looks attached. Because as an engineer, it needs to be attached to something, I'm afraid. Okay, so this row has a box over here. So we'll not put a box there. So what can I put there? I am actually thinking maybe, I don't have a car on here yet. Maybe one of those cars loaded down with presents would be a good one. I like this one. That one's way too big, but I do like this car. I keep going back to it like I want to use it. So let's just do it. Like I said, it's decorating itself. I feel like I would love, I don't know, like a little piece of mistletoe or something right there. Well, here's more hanging down stuff. What about a little bit of this? Just a little chunk of, oh, there's the mistletoe. It's too big though. Let's just put a little chunk of this on there. Like maybe, you know, it's driving down a cute little city street with decoration across the top of the street. Yeah, that helps. It just needed a little something right there. Okay, last box going here. Let's grab it. There we go. Let's grab this nice dark green one. And then I think I want presents from that other page to balance, and we'll be all done. Here we go. Let's put a bunch of these on there. Do I want this to be the bottom of the stack or the top of the stack? I think I want it to be the bottom of the stack. And we can kind of cheat and go a little bit off down onto the corner. And then let's stack some presents with it. So I think I need some red down here. Will this one sit kind of like that? Oh yeah. I'll have to pick a small quote for this one, but I like the idea of the present leaning against, although looking at that bow, I feel like it's upside down. So let's put it leaning like this. Yeah. And then one more something for right there. Maybe this little brown one. It's gonna cover up Thursday, but I don't care. I kind of don't have a choice. So I guess it could be like this. It's still going to cover up Thursday. The other one is, where did I get this? I could grab one of these. Let's see if that fits any better. It's a little smaller, it might fit a little better. Yeah, let's use that one instead. There we go. Okay, I will put that, I can't figure out where I got this off of the page, right there. Put it back. Okay, there we go. That is it. Let's put it in my, back on the discs, and then I'll show you a completed spread. So, boxes and bows. That definitely says boxes and bows, I think. Yeah. Oh, I love the colors too. That's one of my favorite shades of green. The nice earthly shade. The nice earthy shade of green. Maybe I had too much coffee this morning. I don't know. Okay, let's look for... Well, that's a pretty one. There we go. So like I said, here is the word that ties all the quotes together, rest. So what I would do is go into an internet browser and just do a search on inspirational quotes, rest. And then most of the quotes will have something to do with taking time off or resting. So when all else fails, take a vacation. Betty Williams. So there we go. It told me when I did my search that that quote was attributed to Betty Williams, so I wrote it in the space. Every sunset is an opportunity. Collect moments, not things. Travel brings power and love back into your life. Rumi. Again, it told me who said the quote, so I included it. So there you go. I just picked pens that matched the colors in the spread. And I love it. Like I said, I had a pinched nerve in October of last year, and so I cut way back on my inspirational, my brush lettering. So I have more than a year now of spreads that don't have anything in them, but I'm really looking forward to, like I said earlier in the video, flipping to the next week. They'll only be off by one date number, so that's quite all right. I can absolutely work with that because it's not an appointment or anything. And I'll look and I'll just have, boom, inspiration. What does that spread say to me? And then I can go ahead and write my quotes. So I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you. If you've got a horizontal planner sitting around that you're not using or you don't know what to do with, maybe think about a gratitude journal, or if you're working on hand lettering, it doesn't have to be brush lettering. It could just be you know, a different style of lettering to your natural handwriting. This is a great way, a fun way to work on that. And I don't know about you, but when I spend even 5 minutes reading inspirational quotes, it always has a little bit of an uplift effect for me. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please support me by liking, subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, dropping any kind of a comment, even just a smiley face. That all helps me with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow my channel. Thank you.